Yep, perfect.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
Hi everybody! In this cooking series, I am going to make a vegetables omelette. Here are the ingredients. This is an onions. This is this is tomato. This is the carrots, and this is, in English I say this leeks. In Indonesia I say this daun bawang. In this time I will add extraordinary ingredients that are this one. This one is, in Indonesia we call this Pare. In English we say this bitter melon. In Dutch we say this bitter melons. I'm going to search in Google how to pronounce bitter melons in Dutch. Let's search here. Yes, dots. Where are the dots? Bitter melon. Let's activate the speaker. Let's activate the speaker and
Bittere meloen.
bitter melon. Yes, bitter melons. Let's slice all the ingredients. So after that we can start to make an omelette. Let's go. Here are the sliced vegetables. Let's pour it to the prepared egg. I think it will be full on the frying pan. Let's mix these vegetables and the egg, and then add enough of salt, a little more, I think this is enough. Let's mix it. After this, prepare the frying pan. Here are the frying pan. I will turn on the fire. Use low fire like this. Make the filling is equally to lard the surface. While waiting this frying to flip over, let's check the fact about this bitter melon. The National Nutrient Database or USDA found that bitter melon is rich in nutrients such as vitamin A and C, folate, niacin, pantothenic acid, riboflavin, thiamine, and pyridoxine. Bitter melon is also a source of energy, protein, carbohydrates, and fibers. Let's check the bottom. I will find ready to flip over or not. Let's check this once again. I think this is ready to flip over. Use this. Do it carefully. Yep, perfect. aromanya enak loh. If you are here, you can smell this. Look, the vegetables is already brown. While waiting the omelette, I will prepare the plate. Here is okay, I think this is enough. Let's move it to serving plate. Wow! I think this is beautiful, isn't it? Let's try the taste, especially for the bitter or bitter melon or bitter melons. This is the bitter melon. Take some pieces of egg. Let's try. I think this bitter melon is not bitter anymore. A little. Bitter but healthy. Okay. Happy dinner. HP-nya jatuh. HP-nya jatuh. HP jatuh ke piring, untung piringnya nggak pecah.